Hold it, Lord Father! Cut you off!
Whosoever holds of this hammer, if it be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
Whosoever holds these weapons and believes in getting home, if they be true of heart, is therefore worthy, and shall possess, for limited time only, the power of Thor!